88 Xr250
R.
R2. Oh, my bad. Xr200. Clap to cheeks.
No, it's not.
Clap to cheeks. Engine in a bucket over here.
You're lying.
Needs a new jug. Look at that right there and tell me it doesn't need a new jug. Or just to be bored, honed, whatever you want to call it. You're going to probably bore it out a little bit. We're going to set up a time lapse and enjoy the teardown, I guess. Boop.
Now I want to grease everything up.
Alright, I'll give you a walk around. 26 minutes. Took us 26 minutes to do this. She's basically stripped down all the way. Now it's time for us to go take it to the pressure washer. Clean it up. 88.
How do you even get that out?
Just leave it. It's not that big of a deal.
No, I don't want to leave it. That's easy. Gotta get a lot of stuff back here.
Just take the snorkel off and then push it out
Oh, I know.
this side.
Okay, if you take snorkel off, you can't reseal it. It's not as good as on. I said that to you.
You can have one on the other side too. Got one on the other side too.
So good, ultra. I think it's not rough at all. They usually be corroded screen. Ready? Let's put on a straight squat. Go forward, please.
Yeah, there's a frame notch.
I'm not going any higher than that.
Nope.
Dang. Honda, quit freaking me up.
Then you gotta do the bottom one if you want to get that, which means you gotta take off the swing arm unless you use a wrench.
Whoa. Looking.
Use the wrench.
Yeah, it feels pretty good actually.
I stiffened it up with that nitrogen.
Huh?
I turned the thing.
Why?
Because.
Yeah, I'm at the locks. Oops.
Get an open end.
Put it back on. Just put it back on. It's okay. Alright, okay, enough. Good luck painting the frame with that in.
Just put some bags around it, I guess.
Yeah, mess everything up in here.
We're gonna take the swing arm off. I'm not painting the frame without pulling the back swing arm off.
Good luck.
Or the front forks.
Good luck.
What do you mean good luck?
Good luck.
It's already in pieces.
Good luck.
Alright, I'll update. I'll put a time cap, or I'll put something up so you guys can So, onto the
Pressure washing.
pressure washer. This is
It's
the
all
end.
clean.
Here, I'll show you guys before we end the episode. This is episode 1. The thing has been pressure washed. It's kind of clean, honestly, besides all the rest. We're gonna repaint this frame, and then
We're gonna powder coat it.
yeah, powder coat. Same thing. And
Episode 2, we're tearing it down.
yeah, episode 2 is more of a teardown. So like, subscribe, and wait for the new one. See you guys next time.